Awesome. So today we're going to make chia pudding. So what we did about 12 hours ago is we took, it was a non-dairy milk. I think it was almond or coconut milk. And then we added in chia seeds and it really swells up and becomes nice and thick. So then what we're going to do is we got some strawberry compote in here, which is essentially just strawberries basically cooked in a stovetop, and it just becomes like a nice thick gel. So that's at the bottom. There is a little bit of maple syrup in this and a little bit of vanilla extract, but you really don't need to add too much sweetener to this. Then we add in whatever fresh fruits you have on hand. We got some blueberries and some blackberries, and then we definitely want to add in some nice healthy fats. This is a sunflower seed butter. No salt, no sugar, just straight sunflower seed butter. So the process here is just really simple. You just basically take a whole bunch of this, throw it down the middle, and then we swirl in a little bit of on the side, and then when you scoop it all up, it's just gorgeous and it tastes amazing. All right, so a little bit more chia seeds in here on the top. Then we fill it up with tons of berries, big handful of blackberries on top, and there you go. That's your chia pudding ready to dig into it. Enjoy.